Great. Thank you so much, Han, for running that lab for us. So a really solid walkthrough around exactly how to do AutoML with Vision. Efi, we covered a lot of things today, right? So 4 different modules.
Yes, exactly. There's 4 modules, almost like everything you can do here. Like you have big data, you have analytics, and then you show the big query stuff, you do the ML things. Oh my God, AutoML, wow. That's way too much actually.
Yeah, reading through some of the questions and comments in the Q&A, it was clear that it was, for a lot of people, their first time seeing AutoML and what it could do. One of my favorite comments was, do we think this might make people who do ML a bit lazy using AutoML?
I don't think so. I mean, like, that would be kind of like maybe just become a kind of baseline that they can kind of like know that, okay, they're doing something nicely when they're doing some customized one. But I mean, this also bring you like, for data engineers, that you can just using those tools and then making something also the nice experience, right? So that just make those things easier and then everyone can benefit.
That's right. Great. I think the key thing around AutoML, right, is it's these nice narrow scopes around things that are well proven, right? So as I said in the comments, right, we want to make the easy things awesome and make the hard things possible, right? So you can use the APIs, you can use AutoML, or you can go and build your own models.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, always still the same. Magical experience what you're looking for. I mean, having the pre-trained AutoML, or you go for the API, you go for the AutoML, go for BigQuery ML, and then all things still going to help you with the magical experience. And the last choice, you go for just build something you customize. I mean, still, even using AutoML, you still need to take care, asking the right questions, collecting the data. I mean, still a lot of things you need to do, right? So just focus on that, which just really brings you the values.
Again, thank you so much for your participation online and the conversation. There were some great comments today. I saw a lot of people answering each other's questions as well. It's great to see that in terms of the community that we're building. One of the reasons that we do this live is so that we can all do this together. So again, I know that some of us might be in difficult situations. Some of us might be working from home. It really allows us to have a common experience, and we're all doing this together at the same time. So if you're working from home, you're certainly not alone. You just did this entire session day with thousands of other people.
Yes, exactly, with me and with everyone.
Yeah, so it's great that you could join us. We also had some more feedback today, so thank you very much for that. Tomorrow, we're going to spend a little bit more time on Quick Labs itself. So how do we actually use Quick Labs before we actually get into the lab itself? So we'll give you a nice solid overview of what Quick Labs is, how to use it, how to make sure your account is set up and registered before the lab begins.
Yep, and don't forget, we still have something.
Yes.
That's the certifications.
That's right. So this is just the beginning of your learning journey, right? So we do have some official certifications here. So for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, you will get an e-certificate, which is a great indication of the learning journey that you've started. But we also have our professional certifications, which are exam-based certifications. So again, to quickly go through them, Cloud Architect, Data Engineering. So actually the modules we did today were the start of your learning journey around the Data Engineering certificate, Cloud Developer, Cloud Network Engineering, Cloud Security Engineering, and our new one, DevOps Engineering, and our Associate certificate as well for Associate Cloud Engineer.
Yeah, exactly. And then all the things we covered today, it's more for the data engineer. But this is the starting point, so I won't say you finish this one, you go for a certificate. I don't think so. Yes, this is a good starting point, and you start to learn those things, you get those concepts, and if you miss something, go and check the video, of course, and then you follow the quick labs, and then you get a lot of knowledge and hands-on experience. Then at the time, you kind of feel, oh, I want a little bit more challenging things. Then you can go to do the practice exam and then check our exam guide. Then you might maybe kind of get the certification, and that's something pretty cool. You will get exactly the same certification that I have. So that would be something really nice. And then now we can talk about more things which is fun and happening, all right?
That's right. And technology is always changing, right? So there's always opportunities to learn. If we take a look at those learning paths, right? So as you're looking to focus on cloud infrastructure or app development, big data and machine learning, collaboration and productivity, and G Suite. So there are different learning paths for different people. A lot of these courses interact with each other as well. So a fundamentals course is in fact a fundamentals course, right? And it provides a solid baseline for any of these paths.
Yeah, so there's a lot of things you're still going to learn about it. And then, of course, if you've joined our sessions yesterday, that's the infrastructure. Today, you get the big data. And tomorrow, you still get a chance to go for the application development. So there's a whole bunch of things. And then we are there with you. Even you stay at home, work from home, there's a lot of things that you can learn from it. And then just keep improving. And then it's fun, right? It's new technologies. Why don't you just learn and then to see what kind of new things can happen.
Great. So let's keep the conversation going. I'm going to hop on social media after this and check out all the Google Cloud OnBoard hashtags and see what people have been talking about today. And of course, join us tomorrow. We're going to focus on application development on Google Cloud Platform. And Ify, you're not going to be here tomorrow with us.
Yeah, I will be online to answer those questions. Okay, I'll join the group as well.
Okay, fantastic. Tomorrow we've got Henry coming in to be our instructor, and Henry has a great deal of experience in application development, and he's going to bring some of those skills and share his knowledge and to share his expertise to help us all be better learners and to learn more about Google Cloud Platform.
Yeah, so then I think it's just the end of today, and then you guys learn a lot of things. I hope you guys really enjoy. And of course, don't forget, tomorrow we still have App Dev. That's a really cool one. And we have Henry, who is really focused on that area and is going to show you a lot of nice examples and some demos, and then talk a lot about how to do the dev apps. And that's a little bit coding, but it's something pretty cool.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.